It's just plain ridiculous that food poverty and food waste should ever exist in the same communities. Did you know that every year 1/3 of the food produced globally goes to waste? In the MENA region alone, especially in the GCC countries, food waste is the most prominent type of waste produced. In Lebanon, tons of food are wasted while almost 30% of the population lives under the poverty line. Most food aid projects are fund-based and not supported by the government, so the neediest end up receiving the least attention, like the residents of Akkar and Beqa and the Syrian refugees, especially those residing in rural areas. So we came up with a new food aid model, one that is sustainable, tackles food waste, and reaches the neediest, the poorest of the poor, the hardest to reach, the most vulnerable, the ones living on a single meal a day. We called it the Super Meals on Wheels, SMW for short. SMW is a community-based and volunteer-driven food truck that aims at driving hunger away 1 mile at a time. It does that by distributing hot meals to the needy during the day and sells pizza to the clients during the night. Super Meals on Wheels is a project by Food Blessed, a volunteer-driven, community-based non-profit organization that tackles food poverty, hunger, and food waste in Lebanon. It hopes through this project to provide the poverty-stricken with a free meal and to reduce food waste, all the while enhancing social responsibility among individuals and corporations. By doing this, SMW hopes to eventually promote social protection for the vulnerable communities in Lebanon. In 3 years, our food aid model has distributed over 250,000 meals to those in need. So we thought, why not mobilize it, so we can help even more needy folks. That's why with SMW, we're aiming in the first year to serve 250,000 meals to those in need across the whole of Lebanon, while rescuing nearly 11,000 tons of food from being wasted. And the best thing about our impact is that you can be part of it. How? You can donate, advocate, or volunteer with us.